episode of Plan Your 2019. In this episode, we're talking about batching tasks. I love batching because I can get a whole bunch of similar tasks done, and it really makes life easier. It opens up time in other areas of my life. So I'm all for batching. When you batch a task, you're more focused on that sort of task. Instead of jumping from one type of activity to another, you can focus on that one type of activity and you can get more done and be more focused and be more productive. Some ways to batch are by location. For example, if you have a bunch of errands all in sort of a similar area, you can go and do all those at once. If you have a bunch of tasks that need to be done, say for example phone calls, you need to make a bunch of phone calls, make all those phone calls all together at the same time and get them all over with at once. Another way to batch is to add themes to your tasks. So let's say housework, for example. Monday you do the bathrooms, Tuesday you do the bedrooms, you get the idea. To have a theme so that you're doing all of the same thing and then you get them over with. For me lately, I've been batching my weeks, giving a theme to each of my weeks. I don't have a lot of work time because I do have 6 children. So what I do is week 1 is all content where I come up with blog post ideas, video ideas. Week 2 is filming and photos and anything visual. Week 3 is scheduling and editing and all that stuff that I really don't like. It only takes 1 week and then it's done. And then week 4 is something new. So I'm working towards a class or some special project. This is something new. I've only been doing it for about 2 months now, but I really like the way it's opening up time in my schedule. I have a whole week to dedicate to new projects, so it's been really fun. Let me know in the comments below what you're going to batch. Just list one thing and then schedule it into your planner so that you can actually batch it and get it done and open up time somewhere else in your life. Alright, if you like this, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll know when the next episode of Plan Your 2019 comes out. Come back tomorrow because I'm here every day this month. It's been crazy, but I'm having a lot of fun. Hopefully you are as well. Have a fantastic day and happy planning. In this episode, we're talking about basking tasks so that you can actually basket